Hi, today we're going to make a very easy Matisse-inspired digital painting using sketches. I will leave a link below this video so you can check out the app. Firstly, open up Sketches, choose a folder and start your project. On the left-hand side of the screen are the tools. Select the Contour tool. On the right of the screen is the colour bar. Select your colour. Start drawing a shape and it will automatically fill in the colour. When you want to undo a move, tap with 2 fingers on the screen to undo your previous move. Once you have finished your artwork, click on the top menu. Click on the Share Export icon. Click on Save Image. Now your artwork has been saved.